Hello friends, welcome to datamaking.com. In this video I am going to introduce you WordCount program in Apache Spark. So let me show you my input. So I have a set of employee records as a text files. So I have 10 rows in that. So basically it contains employee ID, employee name and age, and the department the employee belongs to, and the salary and the city the employee residing. I have placed this input file in HDFS. Let me show you. HDFS DFS ifnls. I placed in the directory called data/spark_input. I am using a single node Apache Hadoop cluster in my VM, so it's a little slow. So this is the path my input file is available. So let me log into the Spark shell. So Spark is the in-memory computer in-memory cluster computing framework. So you can connect either through application or Spark provides shell, interactive shell to interact with the Spark. So I'm starting Spark shell. So I'm using Spark version 1.3.1. So when you look out here, the Spark shell as a command line has come. It is also called REPL. REPL means read, evaluate, print and loop. So when I start the Spark shell, it is creating two variables, that is SC, Spark context, to connect to the Spark cluster, and another one is excuse for that. So I am getting two variable. One is SC Spark context to connect to Spark cluster, and another one is SQL context. If you want to use Spark SQL, so using Spark context you can connect. So in this video I am going to show you how we can do word count program using Spark APIs. So as I mentioned in Spark introduction video, Spark has a higher level abstraction called RDD, Resilient Distributed Data Set. So whenever we load data, so from the input file you get a RDD. Okay, so let me run this line of code. So what I am doing is I am taking a Spark context dot text file, and I am going to load this input file from the HDFS. So I have given the HDFS path. So once I do that, I will get a RDD. Okay, I will get a RDD. So once I get the text file, I can go and do my processing whatever I want. So when you get a RDD, when you get your input file as RDD, you can do two kind of operation on the RDD. One is transformation and action to perform your logic. So So first we got the input file. So actually if you look at my input data, so I have 10 lines of input data. So each field is separated by comma. So my idea is to find out how many occurrence of city. So I want to find out the city occurrence. So I will leave other fields. I will only concentrate on the city field. Okay, so there is a method called map, okay, which will loop through the each line, each element in your RDD. Okay, I have file content RDD. Okay, in then file content RDD, I am taking each line, then I am splitting based on the comma, and fifth position I am taking, that is my city. So I am making as a key value pair. Once I get the line and I am getting a particular field value, I am making as a key value pair. That is the city is a key and I am assigning 1 as value. So it's typically in a word count program in MapReduce, we will be assigning a word with the, we'll tokenize the line and make it as a word and assign count 1. So similar that I am doing here. So I will get this all the words with the token count as 1 in my words already. So whenever we do transformation, actually the actual execution will not happen. All transformations in Spark all transformation on RDD is a lazy operation, so it just maintains the lineage. So if you want to find out from the word RDD a lineage, you can do words dot to string debug. Sorry, it is to debug string. So this word RDs came from the partition RDD, which has actually come from the Hadoop RDD. That is our text file which we wrote it from the HDFS. And then I want to count the words. So I just assign the word with the count as 1 for each word, that is each city which I taken from the input. Then I want to group the city, and I want to count how many number of occurrence. So for that you can use reduce by key, is one of the transformation which is available in the Spark RDD. So when I do this, you will get a aggregation for each key. That is in the words RDD, you have a key as city and a comma 1 as count. So it will group similar city and it will count. So I will display the final result. So for each is the action on RDD. So when you do action, actually actual execution will start now. So it has counted like Bangalore is 2 times, and Mysore is 1, and Mumbai is 2, and Hyderabad is 1, and Chennai is 3 occurrence, and Delhi is 1 occurrence. So you can look at the input. Chennai has 3 occurrence. So this is the idea. So we can do this program even in single 2 step itself. So this is the same program. I am done it in a single step. I just created the word with the count ID. I am just printing it. Same input. So Scala gives you very good features to write your code in lesser lines. you can look at the this Spark UI Web UI shell UI in the 4040 port. 90. So I have 2 jobs I have run. So you can look how many tasks it has performed. So there, so all the statistics about your job you can look into this Web UI Spark shell Web UI. Thank you so much. For more information, please log on to datamaking.com. Thank you.